Logan Dean Easterling, I've been looking forward to this day more than anything else in my whole life. I knew you were the one for me when we were 15.
To my wife, where do I even start? Around 7 years ago, our worlds collided. We were just 15 years old.
Feels like yesterday we were in high school walking the halls together, and now I'm fixing to walk down to the aisle to you. You are my best friend, and I've been so blessed to be a part of your life for almost 7 years now.
Who would have thought we would be where we are today? Words cannot describe what you mean to me, Gabrielle. God put you by my side for a reason.
We have been through plenty of ups and downs, but they have made us as strong as we are. God handpicked the very perfect person for me. You are all things great and amazing. You are kind, smart, funny, sometimes, no, I'm funny, and romantic. Today would be the best day of our lives. I will finally be Gabrielle Easterling.
There are many things in my life that I don't know if I could have made it through without you. You make me the happiest guy in the whole world. I could not ask for a better woman to marry and start a family with. Here's to the 7 years and forevermore. I love you forever and always from the ground up. Love, your husband.
We know that your dad, Gramps, Papa, and Grandma are all watching. I love you so much, and I'm so ready to start our forever, and hopefully a baby so on. Hee hee, I love you, your bride, Gabrielle Easterling.